Welcome to this custom contemporary home in a highly desirable Southwest Portland neighborhood. A true architectural showpiece, it's a beautifully designed, quality-built home situated on a large quarter-acre lot. Conveniently located, it's just minutes to Portland on one side and business hubs like Intel and Nike on the other. Architect Ted Argo and designer Rhonda Divers created this beautiful study in balances, merging contemporary and natural, luxurious and functional. From the vaulted ceilings to the abundant skylights, no detail is overlooked. Entertained by the wine bar and plumbed for espresso, it's easy to enjoy your favorite beverage. The gourmet kitchen features Oregon walnut cabinets with modern Italian pulls, 2 sinks, slab granite, and a top-of-the-line Blue Star range. The custom features include sound-insulated interior walls, a 5-zone speaker system, a 99% efficient furnace, and much more. Functionality is everywhere in this home. The attached ADU is thoughtfully styled with a fireplace, direct access to the deck, a walk-in closet, a full kitchenette, and a full bath with fine finishes, and a step-in jetted tub. Up just a few stairs, you'll find the spacious master suite, where you can recharge in the luxurious master bath featuring slab granite, a Bain Ultra Bubble Tub, and a 2-head shower system. The loft area is perfect for any number of uses. Head outside to the covered and lit patio area in the fully fenced backyard. Just relax in the serene setting or make memories by the built-in fire pit. There's room for all of your toys with a 3-car garage, RV space, shed, and built-in storage throughout. It's a fantastic location, connecting you to quality Beaverton public schools, as well as desired private schools. Harmonious balance awaits, and it's all here, ready for you to call home. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. For more information or to schedule your personal tour, please contact Rhonda Divers with Premier Property Group at 503-318-8452.